Hi all, I'm trying to cut a new one of these for my picnic table. So there's 45-degree angles on both sides. So it doesn't have to be the exact length because there's lots of leeway when you screw it onto the picnic table. So I'm just kind of guessing at the length. I think I'm going to make it a little longer. So that's the line I drew earlier. I'm going to make it a little longer in case I'd rather be a little long than a little short. Okay, so that one here. And first, let me unplug this thing so I can show it. So this thing's got an angle on it here. That's this guy here. Don't break the knob. Okay, so right there it says 45. It will only go up to 45. Okay, so right there is the 45. So right here is 45. If I put that down as far as it will go, it goes to 45, and then tighten it up. And then what I discovered is there's two notches on here. Those are your guides. I always wondered why there was two notches. I never knew. This one, the first notch here, that's for when you're cutting a straight line, you know, on a regular board. This second one is for when you're cutting a 45-degree angle. See, if I set this blade up on here, right on this line, see my blade's right on the line, that second notch is on my black line here. And then all I have to do is try to hold it level, and it cuts a pretty good angle. So I'll go ahead and plug this in. Main thing with these is don't cut the cord. You know,
and don't reset it while you got it plugged in.
be careful not to cut yourself. These things are real dangerous. There's a safety here. Sometimes that kind of gets in the way, but you know, just if it jams up, just stop the blade. When it's done, if you just set it down, the blade keeps running for like 15 seconds. So just hold it in the air until the blade stops. Okay, so I got the blade right on the black line. It's probably not a good idea to put your finger in there when it's plugged in.
No.
Okay, and then bring it back about a ½ inch and start it up, and just try to hold it level. See how the blade keeps running?
If you set it down and cut a hole in the top of your, your workbench.
And you know, these don't have to be perfect because they're underneath the table. It's just a brace, so the table won't fold up. Yeah, they throw a lot of dust, so you know it probably wouldn't be a bad idea to wear a mask. You know, if you're sawing a lot of treated wood. Treated wood has arsenic in it. Okay, so this one might be kind of hard to hold flat because there's nothing out here. So. Okay, so that's all there is to getting a 45. So here I'll show you. what these are for? So these are braces for the table. I just noticed it's probably better that I didn't cut them exactly the same length, because there's a bunch of holes where the other ones were. So this way the holes are in a different spot. So what we ended up doing was we had to cut new pieces here because these pieces rotted. A few years ago we replaced the top and the seats, and we had one beam go bad, and we just used the one good side to create the pattern, and we went ahead and replaced both sides.
Looking pretty good.
Yeah.